So we are currently at the airport. I'm hungry now, guys.
Let's hit it right now. This is hella good. Did you ask for extra cilantro in here?
No. Oh, that's where they effed up.
Oh,
Jella. I asked for extra cilantro. You know where they went? Where it went? In his burrito.
Yeah.
It's just cilantro.
Wow. I guess he tastes it.
Now what?
Nothing. She's not looking, huh?
Matt.
It's a video.
It's a video.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
It's a video.
It's a video.
Go live.
Go. It's a video.
I don't know how to say hold.
Can you help? Oh, those are
And
eyes.
Jura has another pair and it holds hands too. She got them. She likes these because of me. Romero.
Dude, I wanted those. Everything I have is because of Julian.
Thank you, Mom.
She sent it to TikTok, and then if I like it, then I order right away. Whatever, man.
He did. 1, 2.
Don't make him sad.
Ay, medyo may paplat.
Did you put
Kalbuya.
He said it gives you volume.
Yes, ano kopya? Cup.
Yeah.
What can I put your
I'm gonna calm myself down. So I'm at my car's oil change. Brendel's supposed to pick me up. Like, I don't mind if I just walk across town and go to like whatever they got over there. And it's also very windy today. And I told him that someone's gonna pick me up. Brendel left his freaking phone in my car last night. I had no communication with him. I couldn't like notify him or whatever. But I called. No, I texted his mom, told him the appointment's at a certain time, and he's still not here. Like, not only that, it's very windy.
Years old. You guys want to see it? Wow.
Yeah.
Is the sriracha. Sriracha.
This is Sriracha.
What is she? She's sweet. Who chose this flavor? Brennan?
Aaron chose.
Oh, Aaron.
It's giving,
Yum.
it's giving like the purple bag.
Say which one you want. Say which one you want too.
I want the show off and apple.
I think it's the apple.
Hey, that one was tough.
How do you know?
The slipping one's tough. They like slipping.
Oh! Don't look. Close your eyes, Aaron.
Look at that one.
It's a secret.
Oh!
Lay down.
Oh! Okay, let's hope he doesn't have this one. Let's hope.
Which one do you
Let's hope
want?
Aaron doesn't have this.
Justin, remember? Cut myself with.
All around the
Oh yeah, dude, you were crying.
Which is up?
No, it's not.
Just take one. Oh, is this
Secret.
Secret.
What you
Please don't look.
And,
Oh, don't look. Don't look.
Okay.
What is it?
Oh! Yay! She's cozy.
That one's so cute.
She's so warm.
I don't have it.
Yes. Okay, there you go.
That matches your shirt.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Thank you, Justin.
Justin.
Okay, let's see what Justin gave you.
Oh.
What is it? Wait, which one is it?
Happiness is a state of mind.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lychee one.
That's lychee. You got it from Sephora? How much? Is the price tag still on? Okay, don't do that.
No.
Brandon, I can
It
from
don't
right now.
matter.
Okay, here's the card.
And if it takes two, what?
What?
And it takes a drink or two to get there, so happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
I hope
Here's your other one. You like it?
it's sweet.
That was good. Wait, I didn't smell it.
Let's see. It's like a special edition.
What? No, I didn't see that. I didn't see that.
I was telling you. No, this smells really good. Okay, I'll eat it.
Not sponsored.
I'm not sponsored by her.
Yum.
Yeah.
What are you gonna get, Justin?
Everything.
Everything? I got the matcha. What'd you get?
I got the ice cream sandwich with
You must have
white
hella
chocolate
storage.
chips
You didn't macadamia and what?
and banana walnut.
Is it good?
It's a video. It's a video.
Hi.
Do we want to sushi it up?
If they don't, we can just drink.
Yeah, it's green. The place that we said is green.
We're at Dr. Funk. What is that?
It's a big breakfast.
Dude, can I try your sausage? Remember I doubted you? This is like, I can only eat half of this. God, I don't be playing. There's a different stuff like that. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Thank you. So sorry about the wait on it.
Thank you.
How y'all doing? Everything okay?
Thank you.
Okay, mister. Cheers. This is yours, I think. Mom's lunch, we got rice, the green beans, chicken teriyaki, and some of the snap. I'm not sure what apples they're called. These are the apples I got. Sugar bee apples, and they're so bright red compared to, like, you could see the difference. This one's so bright red, and this one's just like not as bright red. Fuji apples. These are sugar bee apples, so you can tell the difference. So I finished reading The Housemaid's Secret. I personally think she's below the first one. So The Housemaid was better than this one. Also tried the mango juice from Trader Joe's. I give it 3.5 out of 5. I wanted to show the cards I got this one. Just bagel that says happy birthday. This one that has flowers, happy birthday. And this one for my cousin says happy birthday. I highly recommend her. She is Trader Joe's organic coconut water.